VO, exciting, upbeat male voice. Has it ever crossed your mind why dealing with personal finance is akin to climbing the towering Everest? Have your thoughts ever wandered towards a miracle device that can streamline your finances with a mere flick of a switch? Sure, such a wand might elude your grasp, but fret not, automation is within your reach. Today, we on an exciting journey to unravel how automation, especially YouTube automation, has the potential to transform your personal finance journey into a more manageable and efficient process. Imagine this. You're John, an average working-class individual struggling with managing finances. John stumbled upon YouTube automation and decided to give it a try. He started a channel on personal finance, sharing tips and tricks he learned from reading books and attending seminars. With the help of automation tools, he scheduled his video uploads, managed comments, and analyzed viewer trends, all without having to sit in front of a computer for hours. The results? Within a few months, his channel grew significantly. He was earning substantial ad revenue and had even landed several sponsorship deals. The best part? His financial knowledge improved, helping him manage his personal finances more effectively. Next, meet Jane. She's a busy professional juggling her work and personal life. She barely had time to keep track of her finances, but then she discovered YouTube automation. She started watching automated personal finance channels which allowed her to learn about budgeting, investing, and saving, all on her own time. And guess what? Jane could apply the knowledge she gained to better manage her finances, and she never had to worry about missing a new video as the channel's automation setup ensured she received timely updates. But how does this all work? YouTube automation uses tools and software to streamline and automate various tasks involved in running a YouTube channel. This includes everything from video uploading, keyword optimization, audience engagement, to data analysis. When it comes to personal finance, it can either help you earn passive income, like in John's case, or provide you with valuable financial education, as it did for Jane. So, whether it's about generating an additional income stream or learning the ropes of personal finance, YouTube automation can be your ally. It's an innovative and efficient tool that can help you navigate the sometimes overwhelming world of personal finance. Remember, personal finance doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's all about finding the right tools and resources to help you along the way. And in today's digital age, YouTube automation stands as a beacon of possibility. So why not give it a try? Dive into the world of YouTube automation and see how it can help transform your personal finance journey. It's about time to turn those financial mountains into easily conquerable hills. Harness the power of automation and make your personal finance goals a reality. After all, the future of personal finance is not just in your hands, but also in the smart use of automation. Embrace it today. VoiceOver. Books can be a great resource for learning more about personal finance. They offer a wealth of knowledge, from simple budgeting tips to complex investment strategies. Titles such as Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Total Money Makeover, and Your Money or Your Life have helped countless individuals on their journey to financial independence. These books can serve as a perfect complement to YouTube automation, providing a deeper understanding of the concepts and strategies you'll encounter. By combining the power of automation with the knowledge from these books, you can truly accelerate your personal finance journey. So, why not pick up a book and start your journey towards financial literacy today? A voiceover. In the previous scene, we discussed the importance of self-help books for personal finance. Now, it's time to apply that knowledge. With the understanding you've gained from these books, you can better utilize YouTube automation to manage your personal finance. Imagine using the strategies you've learned from The Total Money Makeover to automate your budgeting process, or applying the investment principles from Rich Dad, Poor Dad to your automated investment portfolio. The possibilities are endless. Remember, knowledge is power, but applying that knowledge is the key to unlocking your financial success. So let's turn those pages into profit and start applying what you've learned today.